In this video, you'll learn how to log into Claude Code. This guide will explain the unique login process that utilizes Google, Apple, or email link options instead of a traditional username and password. Start by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox for this process. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. Type Claude AI into the address bar and press enter. After a moment, the Claude Code homepage will load, displaying several options for logging in. You will notice buttons labeled Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, and Continue with Email. These are the only available login options, as there is no standard login button. Next, choose your preferred login method. If you decide to log in using Google or Apple, simply tap the corresponding button. A prompt will appear, allowing you to select your account. Once you select your account, you will be logged in instantly, and the interface will refresh to show your dashboard. If you opt for the email login method, tap the Continue with Email button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, Claude Code will send a magic login link to your inbox. It is important to check your email for this link, which may take a moment to arrive. Once you receive the email, open it and look for the magic login link. Tap the link within the email and you'll be redirected to Claude Code, where you will be logged in successfully. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see the email in your inbox promptly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.